Hello everyone, good afternoon. And just now I'm starting live. Yeah, today the market had a huge gap up after yesterday's technical glitch. The market had surged around 2000 points, I think. Yeah, right from 35,000 odds, it came to 37,000 plus 2000 points in just between a close and a open. That is just insane for a market. And after so much the market gain, it's almost at the all-time high again. It's a very strong resistance. 37,000 is a psychological resistance over there, and from there the market is steadily like selling off right from the morning. I think for the first 3-4 candles, investors were there in to buy a lot, and after right from 37,200 the market is having a sell-off. And in my premium group I just gave a buy call at the small momentum, and I thought there will be a buy momentum having a stop loss of 200 points, but yeah, it gave around 30 points profit, and also some people booked 20-30 points loss also. And after which the market steadily is going down, and we can never say at this point of time, after a gap up market, we'll never know what will happen in the market further. Sometimes we have to wait and watch for the next day markets and all. Mostly market being so volatile in the sideways movement itself, we can just go for yeah, suddenly there's a reversal happening for the last two candles. The thing is, when you enter the market, it's very simple. When there is a series of red candle, if you are in a sell side, you are safe. When there is a series of buy candle, you are in a buy side. So a green candle buy side, you are safe. So that's the thing you should have in mind every time you go for trading. Just look at the market conditions, which if it matches your condition, you are well and good. You have a very good trading session at that point. If, for example, there is a two green candle and this is a red candle, so if you enter in this red candle, you can wait until the candle is still red, and when the candle is green, obviously your sell position is not valid anymore, because you know that. Alright, that's the thing. If you're entering right at this candle, you can book profit, or either wait until the candle is green. So till the candle is red, you can always have a position. That's the very simple strategy that people can follow. The candle which you take a position should be in your side. That's the main thing you need to do. And after that, there lies a lot of trend corrections, and you should know a lot of these things, like what trend is it in, what is the retracement level, what is the support resistance. So every time I'm online, I don't think you people have subscribed and hit the bell icon, so that's the problem. Every single time. So today's expiry, and I thought I can stay with you people on the expiry day, but you people are not into that thing right now, because no one is watching. I don't know what are my students doing. They pay those fees, they learn, and what are they doing after they learn? I totally don't understand about their logic. So today's expiry, I got 2 likes. Thanks for the 54 subscribers, actually. Those are the people who arrived. So this is a point of reversal. So how long will this reversal stay with respect to the price action? If you see, yeah, with respect to the price action, if you see, we can just clearly draw a trend line. So I'll go to trading view. we can just draw a trend line right here. Trend line, connect this wick and connect this wick, and you see this is a trend line right now, and this is a lot to respect. I don't think it will respect so much upside. Let's see. If it respects, that's the point to go for another sell off. Who's online? Anyone who's online, let me know. We have one viewer right here. Okay. Oh, I have this feed right here. Okay. Oh, we have a lot of people subscribing. Gautam Yadav 20 days ago. Oh, yeah, right from Ajay Sharma, Gopal Vlog, Nishant, Vijay, sorry, Ganesh, Visham Sethi, Satish Kumar, Koti Rao, 2 days ago. Thank you. I'm just new to the Streamlabs streams, so I don't know what's happening. Premium DK is happening. Hi bro, great work. Mateshwaran Priyadarshini. Hi bro, thank you. Mateshwaran Priyadarshini. On mobile, global share trend explain if possible. On mobile, global share trend explain. What is that? On mobile, global share. Global is a company or what? Premium DK is happening. Options premium DK is happening. So what is that? On mobile. One second, I'll come back. Yeah, premium is decaying, I think. Largely decaying. On mobile global. Okay, I'll see. Thanks for the first recommendation. Once again, I'll see once again. Oh, this candle is a crucial candle. This candle will show you it's the correction or the trend reversal. Okay, on mobile. Let's see. I'm not familiar with all the stocks. Okay, that's why I get this confusion. Okay, on mobile global limited. Oh, this one. On mobile global. Oh my god. What with the stock? You bought the stock or what? Mateshwaran Priyadarshini, your Tamil or English aaninga? On mobile is so far it's a buy trend, and in a buy trend it's in reversal. The stock is doing well only. I think in 1 month it has gone up like 120%, 120-130% it went up from that, right from 60 to 130 it has gone. So it's a very good company. I think it's an overall buy trend, and maybe due to this biggest bullish, maybe due to this bullishness there may be a correction, and then it may start to come back again. There may be a correction. Yeah, I got this share 65 rupees, 200 shares. That's a very good investment. Okay, why do you worry about it? Even if you are a long-term investor, that's a very good investment that you have made, because the retracement, even if it falls, maybe you can book profits right here, but we will never know from which point the market will retrace. When the market will go up again, because if you see it's right at this point 90 rupees. So maybe if the market continues to sell off like this, it will come till 90 rupees only. But you have 200 shares at 65. That's a very good buy. That's an excellent buy, I would say. The company, when you bought at 65, was at the level, it was just in consolidation. After that, it broke out like anything. So it's a very good buy. You can just hold on to it, and fundamentally we don't know what the company is doing. So let's see. On mobile financial search. Market capital 11 billion. Actually, it started to go reversing. I think now you're in profit of like 10,000 rupees profit, and if you want you can book it, or if you feel like 65 into 200 is what, only 13,000 rupees investment you have made, so there's not a big risk for you, because you're already like in 10,000 rupees profit, so no problem. You can just wait. You have nothing to do right now, because market may go up. Let it go. If this stocks like this only can give you a multi-bagger profit. Only the stocks like this will give you a lot of profit. In case this is small, it's like a small option that you have bought, like 13,000 rupees invested, and if you lose, if the market, if the company totally closes down, which may not happen also, you will lose only 13,000 rupees. But in case like what it happened now, 100% profit, if it goes higher and higher, and if it reaches the 2010 level at any point, maybe at 2030 also, you will be having like 1,000 points profit, 1,000% profit. You will never know. So stocks like this is meant to hold. This is a very small stock, and this is like more than a penny stock. Only 11 billion rupees market capital, and that's not a big headache for you. 13,000 rupees is not a problem. So why do you worry about it? Just hold it and enjoy it. Maybe if it goes below 90, you can just book profit and exit. Take your investments back or whatever. Its P ratio very low. Okay, bro. Thank you for your valuation. Yeah. P ratios. Yeah. But still, what I feel is, your investment is just 13,000 rupees. You do not invest all your money in that point. So what you can go is, you can go for a wild luck. Maybe if this market goes to 200 and all, you'll be having like 400% profit very easily, 200 plus and all. So that's the take you can do with it. But the market is been, it's like falling for the last 2 days from 26 to 14. It may fall for the next 2 days also. But why it is not moving right now? It is hit the lower circuit or what? Obviously lower circuit hit a reclam maybe, because I think more than 5-6% fall. So let's see. What's happening in the bank Nifty? See this. Where's my bank Nifty? It's starting to respect the trend line. இப்போ பார்த்தீங்கன்னா who's watching? Tamil people watching, English people watching, yaar watching? So who was watching? If you see now 1 2 3 4 5 sixth candle, it's being continuous green candle. So when you are holding a sell position at this point, you should directly know that you are in a wrong position when there is a green candle closing. Obviously that's when you should cut the losses. I mean that's one way with the candles alone, but there's a lot of ways for you to go with, because the market is an overall buy trend, even 5 minutes candles pattern. So why will I go for selling right here? Going for selling will be a very wild reversal, like maybe trend line reversal, or if you respect any levels above the candles right now, that's when you can go for a trend line reversal or whatever you want. Bitcoin is going up. Why do people go crazy on this Bitcoin? I don't really know about it. This was a very huge candle. Oh my god. Reversal now. If this is a reversal, I think yeah. This is a point go for selling unless there is a red candle. So that's my point. Okay, always unless there is a red candle, you can go for selling it. So this is a red candle. I feel like this red candle will beat other red candles, so I'll stay with the sell side. This is an entry to make in Bank Nifty, I think. Yeah, I guess this is an entry to make in Bank Nifty. The market is starting to go down. Unless it stays red, you are in a sell position. That's the thing. And the premium is not coming above the VWAP yet, so that's the problem. Yeah, that's the problem. Premium decay is happening very clearly. Very clear that the premium decay is happening. See right now, if it is not red, you don't go for selling. That's the idea. Bank Nifty will give a clear view. Again, there's a chance. If it's not going up now, it's surely going to be a sell-off. Because VWAP is supporting, VWAP is resisting, and from here, if it's not willing to go up, that's a clear sell-off. Let's hope what's happening. Let's see where it goes. Above VWAP, if it's not closing, and there's a psychology level in the VWAP also. It's 37,000 right there. Indian can invest in crypto coins possible. Coin X website, like I seen. Is it safe, bro? Tamil, English, okay. Actually, even I just opened an account in a cryptocurrency broker that is Coin DCX. Okay, so I don't think whether it's safe. I mean, yeah, people are using. Even a bigger YouTuber who Rachana Ranade, she also recommended Coin DCX, and hopefully, yeah, they may do well, yeah. I mean, you should know the conditions. If you buy it today, if you sell it, or how can you withdraw, but Indians can buy cryptocurrency, but the thing is, we don't need cryptocurrency. It's it has nothing to do with the Indian economy. we have nothing to do with it. Cryptocurrency வந்து நம்மளுக்கு சம்மந்தமே இல்லாத ஒரு விஷயன்ற மாதிரி தான் நான் பார்க்குறேன். Because there's no fundamentals on it, just supply and demand. Maybe people have started to accept cryptocurrency as a form of exchange, medium of exchange, currency exchange பண்ணிக்கிறாங்க. But if you see, maybe if you're buying something that is worth for 50,000 Bitcoin, okay, 50,000 Bitcoin கொடுத்து நீங்கள் வாங்குறீங்க அப்படின்னா, sorry, $50,000க்கு பதிலாக நீங்கள் 50,000 Bitcoin இருக்கும்போது you're selling something, and tomorrow if the Bitcoin value goes to 60,000, you're straight away loss in 10,000. Or tomorrow if the market goes down and it goes for like 40,000, உங்ககிட்ட வாங்கினா உங்களுக்கு என்ன பெனிஃபிட்? அது சுத்தமாக எனக்கு பிட்காயின் வந்து ஐ டோன்ட் அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் அட் ஆல். ஐ மீன் எனக்கு அது பற்றி தெரியுது, பட் ஐ திங்க் ஐ டோன்ட் அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் இட் அட் ஆல். பிகாஸ் ஜஸ்டோ அது என்ன சொல்கிறது, அது என்ன ஃபண்டமெண்டல்ஸ் தெரியல. சப்ளை அண்ட் டிமாண்ட் இருக்குது. தேர்ஸ் அ ஃபிக்ஸ்டு some 21 million or 2.1 million bitcoins available in India, overall the world. And அது எந்த மாதிரி வாங்குறாங்க, எப்படி விற்கிறாங்க, the thing is confusing a little bit for me. Yeah, because people may be fascinated about Bitcoin because it's giving a very good return of investment. But again, higher return of investments comes with a higher risk. You can go for Bitcoin. Bitcoin, the beauty of Bitcoin is you don't need to buy one full Bitcoin. You can buy small units. Maybe, for example, you can just invest 5 rupees or 10 rupees also in Bitcoin. ஸோ அதனால் அது பிரச்சனையே கிடையாது. நீங்கள் சும்மா ஒரு 100 rupees போட்டு 100 rupeesக்கு Bitcoin if you buy, and maybe if it gives 100 point return, you'll easily be having like how much? 100% ரிட்டர்ன் வாங்கலாம் ஈஸியாக நீங்கள். ஸோ அதே மாதிரி பிட்காயின் நீங்கள் யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம், பட் தப்பு கிடையாது. பட் ஸ்டில் இட்ஸ் ரிஸ்கி பாயிண்ட் ஆஃப் திங். எனக்கு சுத்தமாக புரியல, அவ்வளோதான். பிட்காயின் பற்றி என்ன கேட்குறது வேஸ்ட்டு தான். I can just analyze Bitcoin if you want to say, technically analyze பண்ண முடியும் என்ன ஆகுதுன்னு. பட் fundamentally no one knows in the world about Bitcoin what is happening. That's the biggest problem with Bitcoin. கரெக்டாக மார்க்கெட் ஃபால் ஆகும்போது தான் இது யூஸ் டு எக்ஸிட் சம்டைம்ஸ். அதெல்லாம் இட்ஸ் ஸோ அனாயிங். அதெல்லாம் இப்போ what do you think this now it will happen? இப்போ இது வந்து பர்ஃபெக்ட் செல் என்ட்ரி. பிகாஸ் விவா ரெசிஸ்டன்ஸாக வச்சுக்கோங்க, 37,000 ஸ்டாப் லாஸாக வச்சுக்கோங்க. this is ரெட் கேண்டில் கன்ஃபர்மேஷனு, அதுக்கப்புறம் ஒரு ரெட் கேண்டில் வந்திருக்கு. ஸோ அன்லெஸ் திஸ் ரெட் கேண்டில் டர்ன்ஸ் டு கிரீன் கேண்டில், யூ கேன் பி இன் செல் பொசிஷன். தட்ஸ் த திங் யூ ஹேவ் டு ஹேவ் இன் மைண்ட். ஸோ அதே மாதிரி சைக்காலஜிக்கு என்ன இருக்கணும்னா, அந்த ரெட் கேண்டில் க்ரீன் ஆகும்போது யூ ஷுட் பி ஏபிள் டு எக்ஸிட் சைக்காலஜிக்கலி. அட் தட் பாயிண்ட் யூ கேனாட் hold your hopes and just wait for the next candle to go red. So அது வந்து wrong. So a single red candle can take you, single green candle can take this anywhere, because if there's some big volume getting involved in the market, you're totally gone at that point of time. So அதெல்லாம் மைண்டில் வச்சுக்கணும் நல்லா. ஸோ there's a lot of trades we make. ஒரு ட்ரேடுக்கு எவ்வளோ செலவு வருது? Completed trade 13 trades today. Okay, 13 trades na, I think for one trade it's 40 rupees. So I think around 450, 400, 500 rupees. Okay, alright. Trading is ரொம்ப simple. Just bro, it is safe only. I think Bitcoin la invest பண்றது it is safe in the sense of நீங்கள் ஒரு யூனிட் வாங்குறீங்கன்னா அந்த ஒன் யூனிட் you will have that one unit forever. But it's unsafe considering the volatility of the market. அந்த ஒன் யூனிட்டோட வேல்யூ எங்கே போகும் எங்கே வரும்ன்றது யாருக்கும் தெரியாது. அது பட் ஆனால் ஒன் யூனிட் உங்ககிட்ட இருக்கும். ஸோ தட்ஸ் த சேஃப் திங் தட் யூ கேன் ஹேவ் இன் பிட்காயின். லைக் ஸ்டாக்ஸ் ஒன்லி, எவ்ரிதிங் இஸ் லைக் ஸ்டாக்ஸ் ஒன்லி. Oh no, no, oh no, 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 no. சும்மா வெயிட் பண்ணியிருந்தாலே ஐ ஹவ் பீன் இன் ப்ராஃபிட். நான் வெயிட் பண்ணேன். யா early profits தான் வெரி ராங் திங் தட் வி டு. Guys, if you see this trend line that I drew just before the things happen, தெரியுதா? This is called price action. So why this price action is working continuously for everyone is just because the people are following price action. The successful traders, the people who move the charts, they are following price action. That's why the price action is working out. Price action doesn't work out simply without any logics. Okay, அது புரிஞ்சுக்கணும் எல்லாரும். People who do trading, they work with price action. So அதனால price action நீங்கள் போனீங்கன்னா it will be like possibly good. We predicted from this point it's a perfect reversal, and it is a reversal. But no one is using, my students and also my members or my premium call users, no one is using the live. That's the thing that hurts me a lot. No one is making use of this live, and why do I stay live for this long time? Wow. See this. Simply see this. Just watch this. Right from this point, I told the market to sell off, and the PE, 37,000 PE, was a perfect buy at that point. And see what happened to the PE. It went all the way to 260 from 160. 160 to 260, 100 points in just what? Like 10 minutes. That's the beauty of options, and that's the beauty of trading with the trend. So always trade with the trend. With the trend, you can make a lot of profits. And there's another clue for you. இப்போ வந்து like it had upper limit of the trend line, there's a lower limit for the trend line also. Maybe we can connect these lines and we can find way down. So market in the low beat பண்ணிச்சுனா it has to reach this trend line again. So that's the thing. Let's see where it goes from here. இங்க ஒரு செல்லு போட்டுருந்தா. Now it's already 200 points profit, and even in options it's like 100 points profit very clearly. Live why I'm sitting live is we are just trying to prove the price action is working, and we are trying to prove trading with the trend is working, and we are just here to help people who are watching live with me. Again, if you people don't respect this live, maybe I don't know, it's a loss of yours. என்ன ஆகும் அகைன் இது வந்து மேபி ஒரு 850 880 அந்த ரேஞ்சுக்கு வந்துட்டு ரிவர்ஸ் ஆகலாம். அந்த டைமில் தான் நம்ம திருப்பி என்ட்ரி எடுக்க முடியும். பிகாஸ் in this entry we cannot jump into this entry right now. அது வந்து wrong thing to do. Come on bro, this is breakout. And now this may reach directly down to 36,500. இது போகுது. That's a very sure thing that's going to happen. In the candle முடிஞ்சோடனே, if there is small retracement, you can enter in that point. It's going to go to 36,500. Time decay, 1 o'clock, it's 1 o'clock, there's going to be some big movement happening. So just the low premiums in the money. 36,800 premiums could have been, it can be a very good buy at this point. Correct up pullback. If you see any pullback, take an entry that pullback, and that will be a very good entry. That's a very good safest entry that you'll have, because pullback on up, for according to me, if there is a pullback means a discounted price for me. So on the discount price, if you get the premium, அதுக்கு மேலே இது போனாலும் மேபி யூ வாட் இப்போ பிரேக் அவுட்டில் ஒரு ட்ரேட் எடுக்கும்போது உங்களுக்கு என்ன லாஸ் வருதோ அதில் 50% ஒரு 40%, சாரி 50% or 70% கம்மியாக தான் யூ வில் பி ஹேவிங் லாஸ் வென் யூ ட்ரேட் அட் புல் பேக். And moreover, to trade at Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday, you require only like 6,000, 7,000 rupees premium to pay for the premium money. Don't enter here. Only risk takers can enter with 36,800 PE. 36,800 PE buy பண்ணி வைக்கலாம். Buy பண்ணீங்கன்னா your stop loss will be when the bank nifty reaches 30,800 again. So அதுதான் பிரச்சனை. Even now I'm really afraid to enter with larger quantities, because whatever we're trading today is going to expire today itself. It's not going to be carried away tomorrow. Maybe large quantities போகும்போது we're going for normal now. We can just have one or 2 days we can wait for the market to come to your levels, or you can take that risk. But now the market is going to end today. MIS normal எல்லாமே வந்து இன்னைக்கே முடிய போகுது. So you have nothing to test your luck for. So in case there is a pullback, if this is going to come to this 825, 830 levels, that is called a pullback. So on the pullback we should go for entry. So if it's going up, so in the money trade பண்றோம் அப்படினா 36,900 PE. If you're going for trading in the money, you're going for 36,900 PE, and when market retraces at this point, and that's when we'll take an entry. And when the market retraces like 40-50 points up, the premium will come down to this VWAP level, and then that will be a very good entry. So let's see if it happens. So we don't need to rush and enter. We don't need to rush directly to enter our strike price. Okay, so 36,900 market normal. We are trading in the money. Remember, we are trading in the money, and that's the safest thing that we are doing. So in the money trade பண்ணல அப்படின்னா when only you will be staying in the trade only if the market is in the money. Okay, so that's another trick that you can learn. Option selling also, you can do a very good money during the expiry. Who's watching? Who's watching? There is a pullback. Not a big deal though. Green can. இந்த green can வந்து sell trendல வர green can. We should wait a lot for an entry. The market is consolidating, so we have to wait for a long time. I told you, right? See, the market is taking a correction at that point, and it's at the VWAP right now. In 2 minutes, like in 1 minute, we can take an entry, I think. Aye. Simple logics every time. Nice. So this is the entry point. 170, 175, 180 can be an entry point, and 36,900 PE. Yeah, that is a very good entry point that you can have. And you have to wait for a long time. Your stop loss can be a very tight stop loss, or your stop loss can be just because your strike price is in the money. When your strike price goes out of the money, you can have stop loss hit. Okay. When your trade goes out of the money, that's when you can go for a stop loss hit. Unless that, you can just wait for your entry, and there should be a red candles in favorable for you happening. This is the entry point, guys. This is the entry point. If you are willing to enter, you can enter with a 20-point stop loss. Very easy 20-point stop loss. That's just a 500 rupees loss. Okay, with 500 rupees, just 500 rupees loss, you can just go for an entry right now. That's my idea. We still have time. That there is a premium decay that's happening, but still we are in the money. So we are in the money still now. This premium 36,900 premium is in the money right now, so don't need to worry. Oh yeah, the market is like consolidating purely. So I think there is going to be a blast, guys. There is going to be a blast, having a low and high of the recent times. 36,700, 36,900. This is the entry. I think this is the entry. We are in the money. But it's below VWAP. We are just going with wild luck. Okay, so it's below VWAP only. That's the wrong thing to do. But we can try our luck. It can go down. Come on. Look at this now. Yeah, if it crosses this VWAP, it's going to fly high. That's a guarantee. If this crosses, yes, see 85. Come on, 65 to 85. I think 65 to 85 now. £20 profit, guys. With just 500 rupees loss, we booked 500 rupees profit now. 1:1. Again, you can take an entry because it's still at the VWAP. So again, you can take an entry, have another 500 rupees loss because you already made 500 rupees profit. So have a 500 rupees loss. So guys, I think we have to wait for the expiry hour. So I'll just run the live, but I don't know what's the point that I'm going to be staying here because there's no one watching. So there's a 20 seconds delay in the market, so always have that in mind. So I'll just test my Streamlabs. $187, $190. The market is falling. See. Look at that. Have that gut to go for entry when you have a pullback. If you have this pullback, you go for selling and see, you will be benefited. But you have to wait for a long time because see, for this happening, it took around 10 minutes, and for this is 10 minutes. There's another 10 minutes, it will count down. So 10 minutes is a lot of times, maybe 600 seconds. Just wait. Count 600 and you will be having profit. Because the thing is, when you're trading options, the beauty is when you're option buying, if you're going for in the money, always you have a very good stop loss level that whenever your trade is going out of the money, you will exit the trade. That's the thing. So when that happens, you will be having a very small stop loss. And this music today. I'll go for music today.
யாருக்கெல்லாம் இந்த கார்ல இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் இருக்கோ லைன்ல நில்லுங்க.
காஷ்மீர் முதல் கன்னியாகுமரி வரை இந்தியாவே லைன்ல நிற்கும்.
கார்ஸ் 24ல கார் வந்தா போதும், வாங்குறவங்க லைன்ல நிப்பாங்க. எங்க ஒப்பற்ற பிட்டிங் சிஸ்டம்னால உலகமே விலை கேட்கும்.
guys, like from 165 I was just shouting for people to go for buying. 165 170 buy பண்ணுங்க சொல்லிட்டு இருந்தா. It's like 50 point profit right now, 50 plus point, 1250 rupees. Who will give you very easily without premium calls, without anything, that I'm doing it for you guys right now. I think it's just red candle. I think it's staying in red candle, and we have a trend line also. Where is the trend line? This is a pullback we need to wait for. So these are the moments where you should wait for taking entry. In the moments you should be waiting. So in the for over 5 to 7 minutes of the moment, you should be waiting. That's the biggest consolidation you'll ever get. Like YOLO, the profit has from 150 to 170 range. You can take an entry at any point, and it's like easily like 1,000 points, 1,000 rupees, 1,500 rupees profit that's made in the pullback. So if you see from morning how much moments it are given, this is one pullback, this is a pullback, and this is a reversal crossing that maybe if you know that you can go for it, or two pullbacks. So every single pullback you can make 500 rupees per lot. So with just how much the premium is, just 5,000, 6,000 rupees, with 5,000, 6,000 rupees of capital, and every pullback, if you keep trading, if you keep on trading, and if you keep on cutting losses, if you have in a bad position, no one can beat you. You can make double your money daily in options with a very minimum loss. But the idea is, if you see, this is the time where the market will start to go. So again, if it beats this level again, yeah, it's going to beat. Obviously, I told you it's coming down to your levels. Let's see, the first level hit. I think the second level will be around, yeah, I think my second level will be this. If it breaks down, obviously it's going to go down. So it's a very cliche thing that's happening in the market. There will be a level. So if you draw a trend line, you will know. I already told you guys, this is the point. And if you draw a trend line connecting all these things, just it's happening. That's it. Easy points. But we can easily make 1,000, 10,000 rupees profit, 10,000 rupees capital. If you actively take 10 trades, okay, 10 trades can make you 5,000 rupees profit. Just take this 5,000 away. All of that. Don't inject all the capital that you have into the market. Don't have to do that. One thing, traders scalp, very thin scalp pannunga. 10,000 only risk you have. So again it's forming a Elliott wave, 1, 2, 3, and again it will show you a pullback, and the pullback if you take an entry, no, again you will be making a profit. 1, 2, 3 Elliott wave pattern. It will take a fourth wave, and the fourth wave at the end, if you take an entry, that will be very good benefits for you. கொஞ்சம் level போக I don't need my help also, guys. I told you like 10 minutes it's going up, 10 minutes it's coming down, again 10 minutes it will go up. At the end of the pullback, if you take an entry, when we'll know it's end of the pullback? If you look at the option premiums at that point, if it reaches the VWAP level, that's the end of the pullback. Now it's 36,700. What's the nearest in the money PE? In the money PE will be 36,800. So just open 36,800. And how to find a pullback? It will be coming to the VWAP to trade, and it will come below the VWAP also to get traded. So that's when you will take an entry. On the timeline, if it's near the moving averages, you will just take an entry. I don't know why I'm telling all these things. This is the thing I used to. This is a partial thing that I'm telling here, which I used to tell in my paid courses. Now guys, 36,800 PE, it's time to buy, and we should wait for the reversal candles to happen. If you don't see me. It's in the VWAP. People who can use it can use it. It's in the VWAP for you. Let me control. VWAP goes, guys, buy it. VWAP pullback. VWAP pullback. Look at this, VWAP pullback 170 easily 500 rupees. Guys, you don't want this money, just pay me back everything, okay? Always I'm just giving you all this calls and no one is actually doing all this stuff online right now because they are really afraid. People are really afraid to tell you the signal of going up or down. They just keep on telling levels, breaking this will go down, breaking this will go up. So people like that are having more views than I do because I tell you actually when to enter, when to exit. So I'll be back.